Now, parallel lines. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not meet each other when extended. Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not meet each other when they are extended. That is parallel lines. See few of the example. Railway track, the side of the books. Here it is given the woods. Okay, these are all parallel. So let us see where it is. The railway track, it never meet each other. It never meet each other. Now next picture, the book. Here is a line and here is a line. It never meet each other like this. It moves on. So we can tell that these two sides are parallel to each other. Here the next one. Here the woods. Here parallel to each other. What does it mean that parallel to each other means? It never, though the lines are, two lines are there, it is extended, it never meet each other and the distance between the two lines will be always same. The distance between the two lines will be always same. This is parallel lines. Okay. Now, rays. Where have you seen rays? Sun rays. Sun rays, the ray starts from the sun and it moves towards us. It comes towards us. Okay. Now, the ray Rn. The ray Rn. It is denoted by, you will write it as Rn and you will put a ray like this, only arrow mark in one point, one side. Ray means it will start from a point and arrow mark toward one side. This is how you represent the ray. Ray Rn. So, a ray is a portion of lines starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. So, it starts at a point and it moves on like this endlessly. That is ray. It is having a starting point but no ending point. It moves. It goes on endlessly. It is a ray. It can be denoted as starting, we'll call it as R and you will put a N and you will write it as ray Rn. Okay. The sun rays you can see. Okay. A ray is a portion of the line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. Now children, what is a curve? Any drawing, straight or non-straight, done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. Okay, in this sense, a line is also a curve. So that is, you are taking a pencil, you are starting over it, you are moving like this. I am not taking the pencil. This is a curve. Okay, so again I am taking the pencil, I am drawing like this. I am not taking my pencil, I am not lifting my pencil. It is a curve. Okay, these are curves. So I am drawing a line. Then line is also a curve. I am not lifting my pencil. These lines are also called as a curve. So any drawing, straight or non-straight. So any drawing straight or non-straight done without lifting the pencil may be called as a curve. Okay, so line is also a curve. Now a simple curve. A simple curve is one that does not cross itself. That means children, you are taking a pen. Curve means that is without lifting you should draw. Okay, so I am starting to draw. Here it is not crossing. It is going on but the lines are not crossing. So we can call it as simple curve. But if I am taking a pen and I am crossing, this line is being crossed by itself, then it is non-simple curve. If I am taking a pencil and I am drawing like this, then it is not joined. Okay, so I am taking a pencil, I am drawing, and it is not crossing. The lines are not crossing, means it is a simple curve. But if the line is crossing itself, means it is not simple curve. Okay. Now, closed curve and open curve. Closed and open. A curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined. Otherwise, it is said to be open. So, I am drawing a curve. It started and it ended at the same point. Then we can call it as closed curve. It is closed. Where I started, it ended there itself. So, we can call it as a closed curve. Now, I started the line. It is not meeting at where I started. I started my line from here and it is not meeting at that point itself. So, we can call it as a open curve. Children, now let us see what are angles. Now you are taking two arms like this, two rays like this. End point is there for a ray? Yes. Now here it moves on, here it moves on. This is a angle where two rays meet each other at a point. This is angle. And it can be called as AOB. It can be called as angle AOB. Okay. Now, AOB or BOA, both are same. Okay. Which angle is coming here? Which one is coming? That 0 or whatever letter here it is coming, that should be in the center. It can be read as AOB or it can be read as BOA. Both are same. Okay. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. It starts from a common end point. It starts from a common end point. The ray starts from common end point. Two rays OA and OB makes angle AOB or is called as BOA. Both are same.